Hi guys, it's me Cammy here from Cammy Crafts on Instagram, and I just got my December TPS box yesterday, and here I am filming an unboxing video for you today. So let's start with the papers, and this month's papers are absolutely gorgeous. So we get 6 pieces of pattern papers a month, and this month we also have 3 specialty papers to go along. So let's look at them one by one. First, this sheet is super gorgeous with silver foil all around the paper, and I really love it. So there are the florals and the silver foil, and on the back we have this pretty star and like paint splatter paper. So gorgeous. And we also have the silver foil details on the back, and then we have the next sheet, this pretty white floral with pink details, and on the back we have this pretty pink plaid with silver foil as well. Super gorgeous. Next we have this black and white plaid, super simple and classy, and on the back we have this gorgeous blue with the pale pinks, the floral pattern. I love how soft and pretty it is. So these are the papers, the 6 pattern papers. And then moving on to the specialty papers. First we have this super pretty silver acetate that matches this pattern. So gorgeous. And then we have this black and white plaid with the pink foil. It's a very light pink like texture. So gorgeous. And last we have this one, and this one is kind of textured. I don't know if you can see, but it's textured and it has the pink speckles as well. So gorgeous. So yeah, these are the papers. Okay, let's move on. This month we get these scallop edges and the bow tabs, and this month it is in this gorgeous white glitter. Love it. And then the puffy stickers are back, and this time they are in this pretty silver foil that matches the kit perfectly. So we have the same dream, plan, love, this floral, and I love this mason jar. I think the last time it was a mug, so this time it's a jar. It says hello, Planner Girl, bless, joy, and this florals. And we have stars this time instead of hearts, as well as the bowls. Okay, and then I'm so happy that the planner pouch is back, the pencil case. So pretty. It has the black and white plaid and the super pretty pink bow. And then over here we have the silver foil on the transparent side. So pretty. I am definitely going to be using this. Okay, and then the accessories that come this month, we have this super pretty pink velvet bow, and then it comes with a little dangle star. There's even a little crystal in there, if you can see. Is it focusing? Yeah, can you see the crystal? So this is a charm, and this is the paper clip. So gorgeous, and this would look so cute on the matching TN. Okay, and then we have the acetate bookmarks. Maybe you can see better against this. So it comes in 2 sizes, the big one and the small one, and we have a little dangle on the top with this like velvet bow and a flower charm. And this one comes with a black bow and a white flower charm. Yep. Okay, and then next we have this super pretty pen with the rose gold details. And next is one of my favorites, is this gorgeous bowl, silver bowl on the plaid. I love this washi tape. So this is what it looks like. So pretty and simple. Okay, and then moving on to the smaller items in the kit, we have the stickers. Okay, so we've got the girl with the Polaroid, and these tiny word stickers with rose gold foil, so gorgeous, and these deco stickers. Moving on to the tabs. I love the tabs this month because they are in pink. The word stickers are in pink. Okay, as usual, you get 2 sheets of each. And these are what the tabs look like with the silver scallop detail. So pretty. You get a set of 8 tabs. So gorgeous, I can't wait to use them. And we also have the toppers, which you can use to make your bookmarks, and these you can just pop them right off. So this one says today, then we have notes, month, week, and lists. And then we have today, notes, month, week, list, but in silver foil. And it's kind of like a matte foil, so that is super gorgeous. I love that we have 2 of each topper and in different patterns, so you can really use this to, you know, like stretch them out. So usually I will like mix and match. Some I will use the silver ones and some I will use the patterns, and then I'll save the rest to match with other kits. Okay, so let's move on. This month's sticky notes are absolutely gorgeous. I love that it's rectangle in size and that there is foil, 2 different foil details, the pink bow and the silver specks over here. Super duper gorgeous. And then let's move on to the adhesive pockets. I love these every month, the months that we get them. So we have 2 big ones and 2 small ones. So the big one is this pink with silver foil, and this is the black and white plaid with silver foil as well. Okay, all of them have silver foil, the same pattern of foil. And then we have blue and the pink plaid. Pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, in the planner kit we have the die cuts. So we've got the floral, this pretty flat lay, the jacket, and then this little scene, more florals, candles, and this sofa, little jar, star, this floral, then a table, like this shelf. So pretty. I really love like the pastel colors. It's like so soft and cozy. And then this is oh, this is so cute. It's like gloves holding like a snowball in a heart shape. And then, oh, I love this one. This is a flat lay with a laptop, like a cozy blanket, coffee, and some spectacles. Okay, and then we have the bigger cards. These are the Polaroid girls. We have 4 of that. And the quote cards in a tag shape. Love this one. You don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. No beauty shines than a brighter, kind heart. And the darkest nights produce the brightest stars. And we have silver foil details. Love, love, love them. Okay, so now let's move on to the add-on kits. First, we have the washi tape kit, and we've got 3 rolls of washi. So the white one is in the pretty blue floral detail, floral pattern with silver foil. So pretty. And then we have this one, this floral, also with the silver foil, and this pink star one. Love them so much. So these are the washis that come in the washi kit. I love how they would match every season, I would say. Like, you don't just have to use them during the winter months. And this is what it looks like together with the main washi in the planner kit. So gorgeous. Can't wait to use them. Then let's move on to the Sticker Society kit. And this one, when I saw the colors, I was so excited because I really like these colors over here, the light pink and then the plum shades. Super gorgeous. So we have rose gold foil on the Sticker Society sub. So as usual, bow headers and these super cute tiny circle hearts, flags, and some bows. And then here we have the headers, more checklists with rose gold foil details. Love, love, love them. And then here we have the days of the week, appointment labels. And then we have the icons and more days. Okay, here we have the months and some other like planner stickers. Then this bowl washi strips, more bowls. These can be used as habit trackers and these tiny little flags. Love the color so much. So pretty. And the last sheet, we get the bowls, the flags, the circles, and the tiny little shapes and hearts with the words. And I love that, you know, they come with like blank spaces for you to fill in your own words in case these aren't applicable to you. So pretty. This is the Sticker Society kit, and this would be better if you're more of like a functional sticker user, because they're mainly like headers and like checklists and like flags, stuff like that. Yeah, so this is super pretty. And the last kit I'm going to show you is the box sticker kit. So this is better for you if you are like a box sticker user. These are sized to fit the Erin Condren boxes. So these are the full boxes and they are absolutely gorgeous. This comes with rose gold foil on every single box, and I really love how soft and pretty it is. And we have some checklists here, and I love that the hearts are not in the usual white, so that's something new. And these has pink hearts and 2 little bows here. And then this is the clipboard checklist with rose gold foil details, and these checklists are different from those. Okay, so this has the white heart with the rose gold foil outline, And then we have hearts over here. Here we have the washi strips with bowls, foil bowls. So pretty. Look at all the foil. And then we have half boxes, and then half boxes and quarter boxes. And I love how the, you know, these are in the pattern background and these are like the solid colors, so they will really look pretty on your spread. Love them. And lastly, I love to look at the sheet because there's so many pretty colors here. So here we have the today headers, the days of the week, the icons, appointment labels, habit trackers, and then another style of bow headers. So pretty, and more bowls. So this is the box sticker kit. It's an add-on sub. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing video. It was pretty fun, and I really can't wait to dig into this kit. So I will see you in my next video, and have a nice day, everybody. Bye!